So it is a moment of great happiness for the entire district that the Kaveri waters today are entering the district through the Nallambal regulator. So today, in the presence of Honorable MLA, officials of PWD, we have opened the regulators to welcome the Kaveri waters into the district of Karaikal for the Karoi season cultivation of the farmers. I am hopeful that the farmers will benefit from the Kaveri waters. Of course, the desilting works in various minor and major channels through PWD and through Narega have already started, and many of those works are nearing completion also. So, in fact, the major canals will be opened after a week. This first flow of water will be the first flush only. So, the major canals PWD will be opening after a week, and I am hopeful that this Karoi season farmers will benefit and we'll see a bumper crop for the farmers, and it will bring prosperity to the district and the region as a whole. Thank you.
So, what about the identity card of the farmers and the?
So, identity card issue, Government of Pondicherry has launched an app. So, we are in the process of linking that application with the identity card, and within a period of next 10 to 15 days, that app will be finalized and those identity cards will be issued to the farmers. So, that is the issue.
There are also some issue regarding the insurance policy.
Yes.
Last 2 years,
Yes. So 19, 20 and 2021 Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, this payment is pending. So 19-20 payment will be paid within the first week of July. There was some issue in the national insurance. Now that issue has been sorted out. In the first week of July, that payment will be made to the farmers. This assurance has been given to us, and this assurance we have given to the farmers also. So that payment will be made to the farmers on time. Regarding the payment of 2021, that also we are following up, and I am hopeful that that also will get very soon at the earliest.
what are the actions taken by the distribution for storage of the water, both Kaveri water and the rainwater?
So water basically is stored in the lakes and the ponds. So for that, desilting of the major lakes and ponds has to be done. Under Narega, BDO office will be taking up more works for desilting of water bodies. For regarding major water bodies, Nallambal, as you already are aware, is going on, and other water bodies also will be taking up. Padudar Kula is also going on. So
out of the lake, there is no desilting work starting of ponds, Only the canals and channels only desilting.
Yes. So major water bodies, under Narega BDO office will be taking up those water bodies also for storage of water. This is of course the first flush which is coming. So after that they will be stopping, and the major flow will start after a week. By that time, most of our desilting works of the canals will be over, and other water bodies, the small water bodies and the bigger water bodies. So those works will have begun by then. So in that manner we will be able
இப்போ தான் ஸ்டார்டிங்கு அது இன்னும் டிஎம்சி தான் இல்லை அது வாய்ப்பெலாம் இருக்குது எவ்வளோ நாள் வாங்கிக்கலாம்
உள்ளூர் வாக்கியெல்லாம் சரியாக தூர் வரப்படல காரைக்கால்
பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க.